So finding and getting a job at seek.com is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to show you how to find and get a job at seek.com. So for that you have to open up any of the browser of your choice and type in seek.com. Or you can also install an application on your Android or iOS devices. After that you will see their homepage, and at their homepage you can see these three options. Now the first option is you have to enter the keywords or the type of job you're looking for. Now you just have to type in suppose I'm going to type in video editor. I'm just going to enter. I can also add the qualification. I can also add the region in which I want to do the job. After that, after filling out these information, you just have to click on seek. Now it will look a job for me according to my fillings. Now here, these are the jobs according to my fillings. Suppose I want to apply for this job. I'm just going to click on this link, and now it will take me to the new page. And now here you guys can see the first one is apply and the second one is you can either save it for later use or you can apply it now. I'm just going to click on apply, and what it will do is it will take me to a new page, and it will want me to, now as you guys can see I'm at their page. I can fill up this information or I can also apply with my Seek account. Now I have to create a Seek account. After getting the Seek account, all of these information will be automatically filled, or you can manually fill it all by yourself. So that's pretty much it. That's how I do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.